Ito na guys yung ating dinner for tonight. Lotus roots is stir fry with oyster sauce. Magluto tayo guys ng lotus roots stir fry. Yan ay shiitake. Hello guys! Today's video, magluluto tayo ng lotus roots stir fry. So ayan yung ating garlic and onion, mushroom shiitake, chili, at yan ay yung ating bell pepper green, carrots, at ito yung ating lotus root soup. So ito guys, lutuin muna natin dito sa kumukulong tubig. Ayan. Ayan guys, lutuin muna natin siya. Hello guys! So magluluto tayo ng lotus roots stir fry. So may onion and garlic. It's my garlic and onion guys. Unahin na natin yun. And then I have a mushroom. Okay. Gusto na rin yung aking mushroom guys. So, thank you nga pala sa aking videographer. For the first time I have videographer, my bossing. And I'm so lucky today. At ilalagay natin yung ating, I have 3 prawns. Ayan guys, and then bisa for a few minutes. And then I put my carrots and my chili. And my bell pepper. Then, sunod natin ito guys yung ating lotus roots. Yeah. And I will put some oyster sauce. I think my oyster sauce is ran out already, so I need to put water. And rinse my bottle. And ayan guys. So, ayan. Guys, and then put a little bit more water. So a little bit more. Ayan guys. And then cover it. Ito guys, cover natin. Yan. And cook it for 10 minutes. So yan guys. So ito na guys yung ating lotus roots stir fry. Sarap guys. Subukan nyo ito guys, masarap siya. Nilagyan ko lang siya ng 3 prawns. Yan. Saka mushroom. Super sarap siya guys. ko na siya nilagyan ng ibang seasoning, only oyster sauce. So, ayan guys, yung ating lotus roots stir fry. Kakain na tayo guys. So, ito na guys yung aming dinner. So, sagtutukal lang kami na inapoy. Dahil on diet na po kami ngayon. So, eto lang guys. Gamitin ko na yung aking tinidor. Ayan. Dalawa lang naman kami. So, pwede nang gamitin ko yung tinidor ko. Ang sarap guys, oh. So yummy! Look at that!